Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or change battery charge notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now you can see here, if I plug it in, when I try to charge up the device, it will make a sound. Now this is the sound, the system sound. To change that, what you can do is go into settings. So swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then we go down to system sound, and in here the default is Galaxy, so this is what you normally hear when you plug in the charging cable. Alright, now you can tap on sound. You can change it to calm, fun, retro. Now if I choose fun, then if I plug in the charging, you can see that it will make a new sound. However, changing the system sound will also affect other things as well, such as the phone keypad. So you can see here, when I tap on something, it will also change the sound of your other system sounds as well. So another way to do this is if we choose Galaxy as a default sound, system sound, and then what we can do is go back into settings, and then you want to go down into apps. Next, in apps, tap on the filter button down here and then turn on show system apps, and then tap on OK. Next, we go to the search button at the top, and you want to look for system UI. So open up system UI, and then in here we're going to tap on notifications, then tap on notification categories. Next, tap on battery, and then choose alert, and then you can also choose to show as pop-up or not. We will take a look in a moment what it looks like when you turn on show as pop-up. And in the sound section, tap on sound, and here you can choose a sound that you would like to use, and then tap on the back key. Alright, so now if I plug in the charging cable, you should hear a new sound, and it will also shows the pop-up. If you don't like this surrounding pop-up, you can switch it off. This is the edge lighting, so I'm going to turn off. However, I'm going to keep the sound. Now let's just go down the list here and see what other sounds you could choose. So quite a number of different sounds that you can choose. Alright, so that's kind of disco tones, and then we go back, and I'm going to plug it in. You can hear that if I plug it in, it still plays the system sound. However, it adds another sound on top of the system sound. So alright, so if you like to have that features added, you can just go into this section here and then just add it into your battery notification sound in the battery system UI. And for me, I don't like it, so I'm just going to set it to silent. But that's, if you like, you can always go in there and add in a new sound, or you can change the sound from the system UI, from the system up here, system sounds. So you need to go back into sounds and vibrations, then you go down to system sound, and you can change it from here as well. And that's it. So that is how you can change your battery charging sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.